In this video, we are going to see how to copy your SVG or vector image. So for this, we are going to use this website. So suppose this is our image which we are going to use. So for this, what we need to do is right click and click on inspect or press F12. Once there, you will see under elements, you will see if you click on this element selector, then from here you can see that this is the image. Once we select this one, then we get this thing, highlighted tag. Right click that one and click on copy element. Now to use this image on a new page, simply go to the inspect of this page, delete everything from here, select and press delete button, select and delete button, delete, 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 delete. Now here we need to right click and click on edit as HTML and go inside body tag, right click and click paste, then click enter. So now you see that our image has been embedded to this page, and we can use it anywhere. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was informative.